right where we are. Our future right in front of us, our head up in the stars. Might have had some moments when this all seemed crazy, caught up in the life, but it never changed me. No, I won't throw it away. I ain't in it for the chase, not living for the thrill of the moment, knowing that my head's too strong and my heart's too stubborn to quit. Not in it for the chase, not living for any other reason than knowing I can never walk away. I ain't in it for the chase. Life can be a roller coaster, riding highs and lows. They can try to tell me I won't make it, but what the hell do they know? I do it cause I love it, I was born for this. I know this is the reason why I exist. So no, I won't let go. I ain't in it for the chase, not living for the thrill of the moment, knowing that my head's too strong and my heart's too stubborn to quit. Not in it for the chase, not living for any other reason than knowing I can never walk away. I ain't in it for the chase. The hardest part of growing up, you can't give up what you believe. Keep pressing on, follow your heart, be anything you wanna be. I ain't in it for the chase, I ain't in it for the thrill of the moment, knowing that my head's too strong and my heart's too stubborn to quit. I ain't in it for the chase, not living for any other reason than knowing I can never walk away. I ain't in it for the chase, I ain't in it for the chase.
Subscribe.